Hello guys, today I'm going to do a video of showing you guys my new remote, okay? So this is it's a clicker remote I got from my mom's car, and I'll show you guys right now. So here we are in my mom's car. So this is it, new clicker. Now this button, I can't click it, but this button does ours. This button, I want to program this button here when I'm clicking. Doesn't do anything. I want to program that to my grandmother's. So yeah, so just to make sure you guys know it works, I'll test it real quick. Test it. Break it up. So here we go. So click it here. I don't know, but you have to like double. I don't know why, but you have to like double click it. So there. I got it at Lowe's. It's really easy to put up. It might be a little hard though when you're connecting it because it's hard to take off the bracket and it's hard to put on. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.